And we have some more breaking news coming in from the poll-bound state of Punjab this time, where massive controversy has now broken out. This time the BJP raising the Sidhu secret meet claim. Remember, Sidhu had hinted at Rahul secret meetings, and the latest being raised by BJP, this time questioning the Congress party over these secret meetings. A massive controversy that has also now broken out. BJP raising Navjot Singh Sidhu's claims of secret meetings with Rahul Gandhi. Remember, Sidhu had hinted at Rahul's secret meetings, and this is a massive controversy that has broken out right ahead of the Punjab polls, assembly polls in the state. This is the BJP this time raising the question against the Congress party. Let me also go across to Amandeep joining us for more on this. And Amandeep, help us understand this controversy. This time the BJP raising Sidhu's secret meeting claim.
Well, Sidhu will always remain in controversy. Just because the secret meeting of Navjot Singh Sidhu is very much questionable and in fact a major setback to the Congress party as well. Just because Navjot Singh Sidhu has been summoned by the Congress High Command by several times, and in fact Congress High Command is not happy with the working of Navjot Singh Sidhu, just because before launching the manifesto officially, he was announcing all kind of issues from the political stages of Congress party, and several ministers have complained against Navjot Singh Sidhu as well. So somewhere down the line, Congress and Navjot Singh Sidhu relations are very much into a thick swoop.
In fact, stay with us, Amandeep. Let me also go across to Shehzad Poonawalla joining us over the phone line. And Shehzad, this massive controversy that has now broken out, BJP has now raised the Sidhu secret meet claim. Remember, Sidhu had hinted at Rahul secret meetings.
Captain Amrinder Singh for Navjot Singh.
Shehzad, if you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
A secret meeting with Rahul Gandhi. Yes, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Yes, I have put out a video of Mr. Sidhu, and Mr. Sidhu is very close to the Gandhi family. Gandhi family humiliated patriot Captain Amrinder Singh for Sidhu. So you know how close Sidhu is to Mr. Rahul Gandhi. He has said in an interview that Mr. Rahul Gandhi has not gone on a vacation, but he is having a secret meeting. Now, I demand to know from the Congress party, because Congress party talks about transparency and accountability, is this secret meeting like the secret deal they have with China via an MOU? Is this secret meeting something to do with the fakery that Rahul Gandhi raised recently about the Indian flag not flying high in Galwan? Is this secret meeting on a foreign land? If an MP is having it, a leader of the opposition is having it, is it not incumbent on Congress party, which was trying to tell us that it was an innocuous vacation that Mr. Rahul Gandhi had gone for, to come out and disclose who this secret meeting is with, what are the agendas of this meeting, what is the transaction of this meeting, because it directly concerns the national security interests of my country. If you would remember, madam, during Doklam, Rahul Gandhi tried to have a secret meeting with the Chinese. It was channels like yours that broke the photograph of it, and therefore the Congress party was forced to disclose that while India was looking eye to eye, our soldiers were looking eye to eye with China, the Gandhi family was eating lunch and dinner with the Chinese. And they were, in fact, you know what that would be called by some people. So what kind of secret meeting Mr. Sidhu has alluded to? Either Surjewala ji and the Congress party should come out and tell us that Sidhu is lying and Rahul Gandhi is enjoying his personal vacation, or Mr. Surjewala and Congress party should come out and tell us who is Mr. Rahul Gandhi meeting on foreign soil, what is the agenda of the secret meeting, is it connected with the secret MOU of the Chinese, is this the reason why the meeting that took place to actually peddle Chinese propaganda and to undermine Indian interests and Indian soldiers' maneuver that we have seen busted yesterday? So therefore, this agenda of the secret meeting, as disclosed by Mr. Sidhu, should be put out by the Congress party, which claims to be a very transparent, open party.
Right. And Mr. Poonawalla, another quick question with you. You have stated that this concerns our national security. Then do you believe that as Sidhu raising and hinting at a possible secret meeting that Rahul Gandhi might have had, that the Congress party must come ahead and share that and also give a clarification on the same?
Look, just look at the history of this party. When they were having a secret meeting during Doklam crisis, they told us no meeting took place. Photographs were put out by the media that yes, Rahul Gandhi and his family were lunching and dining with the Chinese, and they had to acknowledge that yes, the secret meeting took place. Rahul Gandhi in the past also has had secret meetings on foreign soil, after which he has come and raised issues that are detrimental to the national security interest of this country, and therefore in full transparency and disclosure interest. Now that Sidhu ji has confirmed in his own interview that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is on foreign soil having a secret meeting, I demand to know from Congress party who is being met on the secret land. Were people in the Congress party also kept informed or not kept informed by Rahul Gandhi? What is the agenda of the secret meeting? What is the transaction of the secret meeting? And does the secret meeting with some people abroad have something to do with the fake news that Mr. Rahul Gandhi peddled in favor of China? It is something I can ask.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Shehzad Poonawalla, for joining us here on the broadcast. We'll wait and see if the Congress party has to say something on these claims and questions being raised by the BJP.